Arbitrum could gain 1.7% by June 18, according to CoinCodex. First, let's take a moment to see what the chart is showing us now. At this time, Arbitrum has fallen 0.9% and is positioned around $0.08597. Let's move into expert prediction mode. The forecast from CoinCodex points to $0.08733 by June 18, a projected gain of about 1.7%. Coin price forecast foresees Arbitrum heading for $0.0869, roughly 1.2% more than the current price. CoinLore notes it may edge down to $0.0852, marking a drop of 0.8%. A separate forecast by 30 Rates shows Arbitrum might edge down to $0.0849, a projected decrease near 1.2%. And to wrap up, Crypto Predictions expects a fall to $0.08267 by June 18, a potential decrease of 3.8%. This forecast is the most profitable today. 5 forecasts covered. Let's keep moving. Let's sum up what all 5 analysts expect based on their forecasts. Looking across the forecasts from each market expert, the price may shift anywhere between a drop of 3.8% and an increase of 1.7%, depending on the analyst. So it turns out, Crypto Predictions offers the highest projected return with 3.8% gain in value by June 18. By the look of it, you could walk away with between $8 and $38 for every $1,000 you invest. By examining recent volatility trends, CoinLore's forecast stands as the most probable, with a 95.4% likelihood. Out of all 5 forecasts, I've outlined one unified consensus scenario. Consensus modeling places Arbitrum at approximately $0.0854. Let's review the details step by step. The consensus expectation is for a decrease of 0.6%. This implies that your capital could gain by the same 0.6%. On a 1,000 position, that could potentially translate into about $6 in profit. Consensus figures indicate that the chance of this forecast being realized is about 95.8%. Let's turn now to how analysts describe the near-term path over the 3 days. A bearish forecast is made by CoinCodex, expecting losses. An advancing course is described by Coin Price Forecast. CoinLore anticipates downward movement in the near term. The short-term forecast from 30 Rates points to calm conditions, with Arbitrum likely to stay close to where it is now. Crypto Predictions expects downward momentum to persist. According to the consensus, Arbitrum is expected to show further weakness in the short term. In conclusion, most forecasts point toward a bearish outlook for Arbitrum. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were released. Yesterday showed how they held up. Ultimately, yesterday's candle ended at $0.08562. Considering the move, all 5 predictions matched the trend. If we go by precision, 30 Rates had the best forecast. Now let's break things down step by step. Yesterday's candle included 3 forecasts. Looking at ROI, all forecasts were on the winning side. Here's the daily summary. How every forecast actually worked out. In today's review, CoinDataFlow presented 62.6% forecast probability, 0.20's $2,989 accuracy, and a return of 2.4%. See if you can find the analyst who was most on point. Let's see how the forecasts for tomorrow compare across several cryptos, including Arbitrum. Arbitrum ranks in 3rd place, while NEAR shows the highest potential return of 2.2%. Right now, we're displaying a short preview with 5 coins, and you'll find broader coverage and more forecasts on my website. If this saved you from checking every forecast one by one, a like would mean a lot. See you soon.